Are you looking for how to maximize your hair growth, less breakage, and easy detangling? Then this video is for you. Do you have a severely tangled hair and you're wondering how to detangle it without losing too much? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that using just 2 ingredients found in your kitchen. I used a half cup of flax seeds and 4 tablespoons of rosemary. So I'm going to mix them together inside a pot. Then I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water. Next, I'm going to put it on fire on low heat. So immediately it starts boiling like this, I'll now go ahead and start stirring. So I'll continue stirring until it starts to produce the gel. So here you can see it has started producing the gel. So I kept stirring until I was sure it has produced enough gel. So I now put off the fire. So the next thing I'm going to do, I am going to strain it. So next I put a strainer on a small bowl and I pour it inside. And I did this while it was still hot, so you can still see the steam coming out. So this is the best time to do that, because after leaving it for a while, it started thickening up. So if you want to keep it to cool down before straining, it may become so thick that it will be stressful for you to strain. So I did that immediately. So now this is what we have, and it seems small considering the quantity of my hair. And you can see the consistency here is very light. So I decided to add my aloe vera gel to increase the quantity. So this is very optional. You can do it without this, but I just got this aloe vera gel from an organic store, and it has been at home for weeks. So I just decided to add it. So that is that. So I stirred it and mixed it very well before pouring it into the container I'll be using. So this is what we got, and this is the shaft. I'm going to store this in the freezer, then I'm going to reuse it. I'll use it for a DIY conditioner. So now look at the present state of my hair. My hair has been in a high puff for more than 3 weeks. So it has gotten so tangled and dry. And I've been thinking of what to do to reduce breakage while detangling. And this flaxseed gel plus aloe vera seems to be the best thing for me at the moment. So I'll be working in sections. So I'm just going to take a little section of my hair, then I'm going to spread the hair with water. Always make sure to wet your hair before applying any products. 1, it is going to soften your hair. It is going to make the hair manageable. Then 2, it will help the hair to absorb the products more. So you can see my hair falling out. Then after this, I'll just go in with the products, with our homemade product, the flaxseed aloe vera gel detangler. So you can see what it has done to the hair already. It felt so soft and slippery. So you know that when a product is slippery, it will make detangling easier, thereby reducing hair loss. You can also see my curl pattern popping up. So here I'm just finger detangling. You don't just rush in with a comb, because if you do that, you're going to lose a lot of hair. So I finger detangled before combing, and I used a wide tooth comb, and I started combing from the ends, walking slowly towards the roots. So do not just jump to the roots of your hair to comb. If you do that, you're going to lose a lot of hair. So always start from the ends. So you can see how tangled my hair is despite this. So just imagine I did not do this, I would have lost a lot of hair. Remember to be gentle. So after that, I twisted it down, then I moved to another section. So because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm going to do the rest of the hair off camera. So here I am done with the whole hair. So I'm also applying the products on my face. So next I'm going to wear the shower cap. I'll leave the hair in this cap for 30 minutes to help the hair to absorb the products. So this is 30 minutes later. Look at the quantity of hair I lost. I'm not happy at all. You can see that on my face. So 30 minutes later, first of all, I'll rinse out the product from the hair before applying shampoo. So I'm just going to drench the hair in water. Then I'll gently squeeze out all the product from the hair before I go in with my shampoo. So for this video, I'll be using my Male Organics shampoo, Rosemary shampoo. So I'm going to apply that all over the hair. Then I'll wash them. Remember, I sectioned my hair, so I'll be washing them in sections. That way, I'll not skip any parts of the hair. So what I did was, I faced each section, I washed the scalp on each section very well, then I now move to the next. So I didn't get to show all that because I did not want the video to be too long. So, and I now took down the twist. So this is my hair after rinsing out. Next, I'm going in with the Male Organics Strengthening Hair Mask. So I'm going to do the same thing, applying the product in small sections. So now, before this, my hair felt so lively, so soft and strong at the same time. The flaxseed aloe vera gel seemed to give life to the hair. My hair was actually feeling very lively, but also soft at the same time. It was manageable. So if you want to try this, please do. It works. Flaxseed is not that expensive. It is something that you can get in any organic store. So you can do this. So here I'm just detangling the hair in sections. Not that I'm not as fast as it seems in this video. I sped up the video. So if you're working on your hair, please do not be in a hurry. Take your time, because you don't want to lose your hair. You do not want to lose lots of hair. So relax, do not be in a hurry, do not try to be fast. I'm going to wear the shower cap again for another 20 minutes to help the product do what it is supposed to do. Then after which, I'll rinse the hair and style my hair. So please remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.